I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Windows can render PDFs without launching an app. Open File Explorer and press Alt+P to show the preview pane. This gives instant previews. Then, set PDFs to a default reader that supports preview handlers. Go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, and assign PDF. Once done, open File Explorer options, click View, and ensure Show Preview Handlers is checked. This allows the pane to use the handler. If a PDF still won't preview, continue to the next steps for alternatives. Next, you'll add or enable a reliable preview handler. Install Adobe Reader or Sumatra PDF and choose to enable preview integration during install because those handlers register with Explorer. Alternatively, install Quick Look from the Microsoft Store to get spacebar previews. This works fast and light. After installation, make sure to restart Explorer in Task Manager so Windows picks up the new handler. If you changed default apps, open a folder with PDFs and confirm thumbnails and previews appear on selection. To finish, test by selecting several PDFs in different folders. Previews should show immediately in the pane or via Quick Look. If previews are inconsistent, make sure security software isn't blocking preview handlers and temporarily disable sandboxing features to verify. Also check Event Viewer for related Explorer or handler errors, and if you still have problems, uninstall then reinstall the PDF handler or Quick Look app. One troubleshooting tip: restart Explorer after changes. This resolves most registration or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.